everybody, it's Kayla here, and today we got a special box from Mike Taylor from Rcmax. Alright, so let's unbox this. Oh boy, I have a special feeling that there's going to be something awesome in this box. Let's find out what it is. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Oh my god, look at that!
Yep.
That is awesome.
And that one's for you.
Really? Oh
Yep.
my god, that's so cool. Yes.
Yeah, Kayla always wanted my Rcmax hat, and I told her if I ever get another engine, if I get a hat, she can have the next one. Right?
The hat is so cool.
Let's see what's here. Okay, we got an air filter. Crazy stew intake. I could see where this is going.
What's it?
Ooh. That's some, looks like some billet aluminum parts, maybe? Wow, this is something.
Alright, let's see.
Right. We got some gears here. Blackbone, 1955, 2450. We got a Blackbone 2-speed. Very nice. Let's see what else is in here. Yep. There's the rest of the 2-speed. Let's see. What's this? Ooh. We got a special note here. Sticker, candy. I think they're jelly beans.
What?
Or so I've heard. Check that out. Here we have a blue anodized clutch carrier, Baja style. Very nice. And a black velocity stack. Let's have a look in this. Wow.
Oh, that's huge.
He sure does wrap good. Well, actually, it only took 1 day for this thing to get here. I don't know how he does it, but that's like faster than getting shipments for stuff inside the US. By the way, this came from the UK all the way.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh boy. You guys are gonna like this. Mike Taylor built this specifically for me. Exactly how I wanted it.
Whoa! That's so cool!
Look at that.
Wow! I love the color. That's awesome.
Blue.
Yeah, it's
Blue
a nice,
anodized.
it's nice dark blue
Black
color.
head. Black velocity stick. And intake. Rcmax.
That's crazy cool.
So this is the GT40 or 40 GT. I've wanted this motor for easily about a year and a half. Finally said give him the go ahead to make it. There it is.
Oops, sorry. There we go. Oh my god. Look at the motor. It's beautiful. Love how the motor turned out. It's awesome. I love it. I'm so happy that I finally got my awesome hat. I love it very much. Let's put it on. How do I look?
Great. We're gonna have to wear them when we go for the races.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
yeah.
a good idea. Hey guys, have a look at our Rcmax jelly beans. Delicious. I need scissors for this. Alright, here's the jelly beans. Wow.
Ooh, do they say Rcmax?
No. I want to try one. Let's try.
Oh, that's good.
It's perfect. This is good. You should try it. Okay. That is so good. Yum. Big shout out to Mike Taylor. Thanks for the awesome hat and this awesome motor. Rcmax. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up, and we'll see y'all later. Bye. Oh boy, I have a